This is the Fantic F2 Master Rotary tool, sent to me free of charge for this review. And in this case, if you push on the top here, that is going to reveal your mini rotary tool. This is what it's going to look like. It is rechargeable. You're going to plug that Type-C cable in on the bottom. It's going to take about 60 minutes in order to get a full charge. Next up, if we pull up on the inside of the case, that is going to reveal all of our different bits. So we have 35 different bits here. We have carving bits, drill bits, polishing bits. Down here at the bottom, we have an extra bit holder. So the first bit holder is going to be located right on the top of the rotary tool. And then, like I said, you do get that other one. They are two different sizes, one's smaller, one's bigger, based on what bit you're going to need to be using. With that, on the bottom of the case, we do also have some sanding discs if your craft or project requires the use of that. So the way you're going to use the rotary tool is going to be very simple. I'm going to be using one of the drill bits just to show you how it's going to work. The way you're going to do that is to loosen up the top portion here while holding onto the bottom so that doesn't spin. When you loosen this up, what that is doing is opening the holder so you can place your bit right on the inside there, and then you're just going to tighten that down into place, and it's going to be all ready to use. On the bottom of the rotary tool is how you're going to power it on. We're just going to switch to on. You do want to press down firm in order to power that on, and then we do have 5 different speeds that you're going to be able to pick from based on how fast you want the rotary tool to be working and the power that you need from it. We do also have some carving tools here, so I can show you what that looks like. When you are done using your rotary tool, it's just going to go right back into its place, and then the bits are going to fit directly inside of the outer case, so everything's going to be nice and neat in one spot, protected when you need it for next time. So like I said, if you are into doing your own DIY craft, this right here is something that I would recommend having in your DIY toolkit.